Hey there. So in this part of the tutorial, I'm going to show you what exactly is Query Designer in MS Access. So we have these two tables, and based on the information of which I have created a query that sorts out customer data with their phone, name, email, city, and pin code. So this was done with the help of Query Wizard, and you can watch the video about it in my YouTube channel. And now that we have finished with that part, I'm going to cover the query design part. So whenever you select your query from the Access objects, right click on it and select design view. You'll find these two panes split here, where one data is shown and the relationship between these two tables is also shown, and whatever the data that is filtered is shown here. You can choose to uncheck it and limit your search for that query, but we are not going to do that right now. So this was just a design view for our query that I wanted to show you before taking you to Query Designer. The options here, view, run, are pretty much same. They do the same action, that is showing this. And in design view, you have this option for select. So when you select, you will see the content of the query table. So these two tables are selected, and the sorted data is under this pane. From make table, append, update, and delete, each are action and basically perform some operation before it gets sorted here. And we're going to skip them for now, as these are the actions performed on the table. We are not going to cover them under Query Designer. Okay, so let's come back to the Create tab and click on, first let's close this, click on Query Design from Create tab, and you'll find that the pane reappeared. Let's select these two tables. You'll find that one-to-one relation between these two tables. If you make a relationship which is one to many, then one will be selected here, and infinity symbol will get attached to any other table that you choose for that sort of relation. And coming back to the SQL view, which is again important point, you can select that view from this left side button, where you can choose design view, SQL view, or SQL view, or datasheet view. So the SQL view will tell you what query was performed. Here, as you can see, select from customer location, inner join with customer records on customer location, customer ID, and customer records customer ID. So these two primary IDs are joined, and then the data with respect to other columns is sorted and can be viewed here. Okay, so what our Query Designer does is it lets us design the query in a more effective way than our Query Wizard, where we just give it an option and choose this specific values that we want to sort out. So this is more like a alternative way to create your queries. but with Query Wizard you can pretty much do it much more effectively, and you get the data sorted the way you want it, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so this is how our Query Designer tutorial is going to end. And if you have any questions regarding MS Access, or if you have any suggestion for me, feel free to let me know in the comments, and I will work on your suggestions and any feedbacks from you. So thank you for watching.